Hello everyone, so this is Laura from the future. We're gonna go and visit early quarantine Laura in just a second. I'm gonna show you my very first, quarantine makeover. I didn't want all this footage to go to waste, so I'm uploading it now. Better late than never. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you're new, subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Alright. You're gonna see me with different hair. Bye. So this is probably the best I'm going to be able to adjust the white balance. Not as orange as it was a few minutes ago. I have developer, I have oh my supplies here. Got foil, it got bleach, I got Instagram going crazy, and got these things too. This is my inspiration. So I'm half inspired by Claire from Bon Appetit and also inspired by e-girls on TikTok. I just think the little stripy bits are so cute, but I don't want to do that. Well, not exactly, like I don't want to do the two little stripes. I want to do like a fourth of my hair, bleach that, and I always like my left side. I don't know why. It's the same side I have my nose hoop, so I want to bleach like a fourth, so my bangs plus the little sliver. Obviously I'm gonna do a much better I'm gonna do a much better job sectioning, but I just kind of want to bleach this, and if I end up liking this, then I'll do the other side. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just section my hair. I'm also gonna, I should have grabbed these sooner. I think I should protect this side with this. Not too bad. So then we're gonna take this. I have so many white hairs, I don't know if you can tell. It makes me excited that eventually I will have a white spot and eventually white hair. I think I was able to get an even section, or as even as I can make it. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna have to be very strategic about how I place the bleach, because not only do I have to maintain this line, but I also have pre-lightened ends. This is the last of the previously bleached hair that I have, so just these. And then my roots are completely natural. This section I had previously applied black hair dye in December, but I mean, I feel like it mostly washed off, but still I'm playing around with different levels of hair, different I guess health of my hair as well. Ends are drier, my roots are super healthy because it's just my natural hair. So yeah, I gotta play it safe. I'm gonna do the, oh my god, there's a hair. I'm gonna do the ends as well as the roots very last, just because I feel like they're both gonna lift a lot quicker. And I'm just gonna focus on the middle of my hair, and for my bangs it would just be like practically all of my bangs except for the root. So that's my game plan. All right. Let me see. I've never used this type of bleach before. This is the cream from Ion. 8 levels of lift. Okay. You know what? This mixture turned out to be a lot fluffier than that TikTok copy. Look at that. It's a nice consistency. I think this is the right consistency, so that's good. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually quite nervous because I haven't done anything like this. I bleached my hair before. I mean, if you followed my channel for the last 2 years, you know that I've done it before, but not to this extent. This is gonna be testing my ability to not screw up. I'm still a little bit worried about this, so I'm gonna find a way to clip this piece of paper on that side. I just do not do not want any bleach on that part, so I'm gonna just, okay, I feel like it's protected a little better. I forgot gloves. I'm gonna, do I have any? I don't think I do. Okay, this bleach is very smelly. Very, very smelly. I have to keep the door closed if I want to listen to my music. Let's do this! I'm going to let this rest for 15 minutes. I'm gonna check on it. At the very end, I'm gonna apply it on the roots. And yeah, that's my game plan. I forgot to even mention what I use. So we have the Ion Color Brilliance Creme Lightener. This delivers supposedly 8 levels of lift. I also have 20 developer, just because I don't want to completely fry my hair. This is going to be damaging enough. And then to help with not damaging it a lot, I thought it was half, but maybe a little less than half of this. This is like Sally's version of Olaplex number one. I think it's number 1. So this is the Ion Color Brilliance Absolute Perfection Booster Step 1. So I applied a little bit of that. So in theory, it'll damage still because we're playing with bleach, but it won't be as bad as me using a 30 or 40 developer. So yeah, we shall see how it goes. So it is the day after. This is how my hair looks like now that it's dry. So as expected, it didn't lift evenly, but I already knew that was gonna happen. My hair was way too dark. It also had dye, like I had mentioned. So the roots lifted pretty well for the most part. There's some patchy areas, excuse the black. A little bit of this side went on that side. But yeah, for the most part, it definitely needs a second round. I knew that was gonna happen. I thought it was actually gonna lift a lot more red, so I'm glad that it didn't. It's lifted to orange. So I'm gonna try and get everything as pale as my roots, as you can see. We shall see. I don't need this to be like icy white. The color that I'm thinking of putting over it will be a warm tone color. I'm going with a peachy shade. So as long as I can lift it to even like this shade of orange, like I'll be okay. I'll be okay. I was debating on maybe grabbing a bigger section. I'm not sure how that is going to look. Maybe just grabbing a little bit more. I think they're pretty even. Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna leave it like this. If I end up loving the way it looks, then I think I mentioned this yesterday. If I really like it, then I could just go all out and just do this whole front portion. We shall see, but so far I'm really digging this half and half bang area. I think it looks cool, and it's gonna look even better once I do a second round of bleach. And yeah, and then hopefully next week I'll get the overtone colors mailed. They're on their way. So we shall see. Overall, my hair, the health of my hair, it feels a little bit drier compared to this, but it still managed to get a little wave naturally, so I did not fry it to death. That's good. Hello, so we have reached round number 2 of bleaching. I was going back and forth whether I should pull another section of my hair just so it's a bigger chunk. And you know what? I think I'm gonna make it a bigger chunk. A lot of it gets covered by my natural hair color, so yeah, I'm gonna bleach a little bit more. Excuse the hair, it's still a work in progress. I managed to trim a lot, but I think I still might have to go and trim a little bit more once I get out of the shower, dry my hair, do all that stuff. But for right now, I'm just gonna start applying overtone. So I have 3 different colors. For the rest of my hair, I'm going to be using Rich Black. This is hopefully going to cover up the more ombre bits on the ends of my hair. I'm going to be using this for the first time. Then for the bleach part, I'm going to be mixing some colors. So I have orange for brown hair. I have vibrant pink. And if I need to warm this mixture up a little bit, I do have some leftover Cosmic Sunshine by Arctic Fox. So I'm going to do that. And then for my white conditioner, I'm going to be using this hair butter from OGX. I don't even know how old this is, but that's what I'm going to use as a white conditioner. Oh. I'm so freaking excited. Look at how it turned out. It looks so cool. I mean, this hair is super dried up now, but I need to show it some TLC. But yeah, it turned out so freaking cool. And I do love the way the black looks. It looks, just even things out really naturally for me. I mean, it just looks like my natural hair color. And no more ombre leftover bleached hair from like last year. I mean, this is gonna be a bitch to grow out. I already know this, But for the time being, I feel freaking cool. And when I tuck this, like, these two pieces in the back, it makes me feel like I have a mullet, because I've been loving those girly mullets, and I almost contemplated on cutting it shorter. I cut those pieces, but you know what, I'm just gonna tuck my hair back and enjoy the faux girly mullet moment. But yeah, this is my quarantine makeover. I hope your quarantine is going by well. If you try to do something to your hair, good luck. Hope you have a lot of conditioning treatments at your house so you can heal it a little bit. And yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the questions down below if you let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions. Really, like I said, I really did love the overtone black. I'm gonna see how it washes and fades. So hopefully it fades nicely. This turned out a little bit more orange than I wanted it to. I wanted it to be more of a coral, but it's okay. It's gonna keep fading as I wash it. And next time I have to touch it up, I'll add more pink instead of orange, but still, I love orange. So yeah, I'm gonna leave now for reals. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new. I'll try not to fuck up my hair more than I have already. But you just never know. You never know with me. So yeah. Bye.